Diet Coke.
This bike, this drum, even this
guy.
are all made up of oodles of tiny little, well, stuff. Some stuff smaller than you may think.
But really, I mean, these things are so small. And look, they're everywhere. The bike, the drum, the Vince, or my personal favorites, the Coke, Diet Coke. You can count it all. And these things are made up of what scientists like to call matter. And this matter can be broken down into many smaller things. For example, take this slice of bread and cut it in half. The bread will eventually get to a point where you can't cut it any further, and it will be just a tiny piece of matter that can't be broken apart. Thus, unbreakable. This is a model with a helium nucleus.
So, for an example of how small an atom is, we'll say that this baseball is the nucleus. That means that the first electron would be found, say, 3 soccer fields away?
Say, how small are atoms anyway?
We'll find out after this break.
Never gets old, huh? Nope. It kind of makes you want to break into song. Yep. I love the mountains. I love the clear blue skies. I love big bridges. I love when great whites fly. I love the whole world and all its sights and sounds. Boom-de-yada, 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 boom-de-yada.
I love the oceans.
I love real dirty things.
I love to go fast.
I love Egyptian kings.
I love the whole world.
And all its craziness.
Boom-de-yada, 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 boom-de-yada.
I love tornadoes.
I love arachnids.
I love my magma.
I love the giant squids.
I love the whole world. It's such a brilliant place. Boom-de-yada, 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 boom-de-yada.
So you're wondering how small an atom is, right? You could fit about 1 million on the tip of this pen.
Well, to start, this is H2O, also more commonly known as water.
Water!
It's made up of 2 elements, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, and together they form water.
Water!
The ocean is made up of H2O. We are even made up of H2O. H2O is
Water! Fuck! Holy crap. To show the spaces between atoms, we're going to do a cool experiment.
experiment, yeah!
For this experiment, you're going to need a soda bottle, funnel, 3 cups of water, and 1 cup of 99% rubbing alcohol. First, you're going to add 2 cups of water. Then, you're going to mark where the water is. And you're going to dump it out. Add another cup of water. And then, the 1 cup of rubbing alcohol. The elements of our world have been grouped and organized by the world's brightest scientists into a table.
Huh?
Not that kind of table, the periodic table of elements. Some of these you know, like oxygen, copper, silver. But there are really weird ones like germanium, einsteinium, krypton, and praseodymium.
Tungsten.
Well, for every element, the scientists have made up a chemical symbol that is made of one or two letters. Like, for an example, oxygen, its chemical symbol is O.
Though some are really strange, such as tungsten, which is W.
As well as the chemical symbol, each element has also a number, but it's not just any number, it's an atomic number. The atomic number is not just for show. It also tells how many protons and electrons are in each atom of each element. There are 92 elements that were made here in Mother Earth, and the rest were created by mad scientists. Shay. Oh, God!
If we put all these elements together, we can make all sorts of different types of molecules, like H2O.
It's all done with molecules!
In a galaxy not so far away, there is a world where everything is either energy or matter.
And this world is Earth, and on Earth there is energy and matter. This leaf is made up of matter, but the heat used to burn the leaf, well, that's energy.
It was not.
This is an example of carbon.
Yeah, so what?
Did you really just ask that?
Yeah, I did.
It's carbon.
And I still don't see what the big deal is.
Ashton, you explain it to her.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't believe you can say it's not a big deal. Carbon is a huge deal. Carbon is in everything. It's in those trees, it's in those cows, it's even in us. Atoms are everywhere, even in the air. Carbon is the key to life, and as is all of the atoms and molecules that build up our world.
What's the pool got to do with anything?
Pool's got to do with everything.
Why is that?
Because it's buoyancy, yeah!
Buoyancy?
This is buoyancy!
This is Sparta!
What do you seem to float? Join us next time on Experimental Maniacs to learn more.
Alright, now, why don't you figure out what my glasses are? What do you want me to do?
Just as they come up with it.
What's that say?
Experimental Maniacs.
Experimental Maniacs, Boy Man, Vincent Gomez, Coke Drinker, Shay Lee, the Director, Ashton Woolen, filmed by Ashton, Vincent, and Shay. Script by Ashton and Vincent. Bloopers, coming next with Kyle Walter.
The bread will eventually get so small that you can't cut it anymore.
Vincent, what the heck?
Sorry! This is an example of carbon.
Also, what's the big deal?
Did you really just ask that?
Yeah, I did.
It's carbon!
Hi. What's the...
Go.
I still don't see what the... Oh. I still don't see what the big deal is.
This is an example of carbon.
Well, what's the big deal?
It's carbon.
I still don't see what the big deal is.
It's carbon. Oh. Shit. Cow's gonna freaking kick
No, it won't. Just go.
I'm not retired.
Just go.
No, I like wait, okay.
Vincent.
No, wait, literally.
Helium balloons.
Hello.
Hello. Go.
Mommy, look at me! Look what I found!
Okay, guys.
Vincent's happy. Oh, God, yes. So this uniform does have a purpose.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Fail! Having problems with the test. Yeah. I'm going to cut it for you.
Oh my gosh.
The blue ones didn't really work. But the last blue one went.
Ashton. Hi guys, how's it going? This is so cool.